The NatWest card reader is a security device used to authenticate online transactions, ensuring the safety of your banking activities. Here's how to use it. Activate the card reader. You will receive your NatWest card reader with your new bank card. Insert your debit card into the reader and press the button when prompted. Used for online transactions. When making an online payment or logging into NatWest online banking, you will be asked to authenticate the transaction. Insert your card into the card reader. The reader will display a unique security code and ask for your PIN. Enter your PIN. Type your 4-digit PIN on the card reader when prompted. The reader will generate a one-time code. Enter the code. Once the reader generates the code, enter this code on the online payment or banking page to authenticate your transaction or login. Complete your transaction. After entering the code, your transaction will be confirmed and you can proceed with the payment or access your account. Remove your card. Once the process is complete, remove your card from the reader and turn off the device if not in use.